In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable the Grammarly Writing Assistant. Whether you're looking to take a break from suggestions or need them active to refine your writing, these steps will guide you effortlessly through the process. To begin, you'll want to be either in Google Docs or any supported browser where the Grammarly extension is active. Make sure your interface is prepped, as this will help us steer directly into the steps with ease. It's important to note that this tutorial is based on the assumption that you already have Grammarly installed on your browser, as that's crucial for these settings to function. The journey starts by locating the Grammarly icon. This icon typically appears in your browser's toolbar or near the editing area if you're inside Google Docs. Keep an eye out for that distinctive icon. It's generally a green circle with a bold letter G. It stands out against most backgrounds, making it relatively easy to find once you know where to gaze. This icon acts as your main portal to interact with Grammarly's settings. Once spotted, go ahead and click on it. This simple action will bring up the Grammarly dashboard. Here is where all the settings magic unfolds, granting you access to various options and configurations. But if you find that nothing seems to open when you click, double-check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, as this can sometimes hide settings interfaces. Within the dashboard, your next mission is to locate the power button. This is typically set out as a toggle switch or a similar icon, allowing you to control Grammarly's activation status. Engaging with this toggle is much like flicking a light switch. You click it to turn Grammarly off, and again to turn it back on. If you want to disable Grammarly, simply switch it off from this menu. By doing so, Grammarly will cease providing writing suggestions or corrections, which can be beneficial for a more uninterrupted writing flow. This is ideal for moments when you desire a break from assistance or want to draft freely without any checks. Conversely, should you decide later on that you want Grammarly's aid once more, enabling it is equally straightforward. Head back to the extension settings where the toggle resides and flick it back on. This promptly reactivates the writing assistant, primed and ready to enhance your grammar, punctuation, and style. Lastly, it's wise to ensure your extensions are enabled within your browser settings. By navigating to your browser's extension menu, you can verify which extension toggles are active. Here, make sure that the Grammarly extension toggle is switched on, granting you immediate access anytime you're scribbling online. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effortlessly manage whether Grammarly is actively assisting you or quietly taking a back seat. This versatility can be particularly convenient based on your ever-changing writing needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.